The young she call they call talk of wife. Yeah, people, which day they marry, yeah. Come worry now. Now worry one woman build as the husband don't know. And now the man do the plumbing work for the house. Talk of wife. You don't see my wife. My wife, very iron lady. My daughter are just 6 months old. My wife just they pressure me. Say this pikin go enter school, put her for school. I said 6 months. She said this pikin go enter school. If no problem, go to the house. So same table last year. Now put my daughter for school. January this year, my daughter called the resume school. I called it tell my wife, like this now, my daughter is going to KG1. Oh. My wife said, which kind of KG1? I never ever think of pre-KG. I dey think of KG1. I said, sure. Where my daughter dey since? Say my daughter dey for play group. I said, eh? I dey pay school fees for play? What they call shock me now when my wife come back, say they increase the school fees. I said, why? They had new play for the school. I said, any play where they had for the school. If you want clap, clap. I said, any play where they had for the school, make they remove them. If my daughter come back for school, me and I will go play the play. Oh, I said, no, because you are a commenter. I just use everything. They do joke. I said, this will not be joke. They think they won't bring quarrel. I said, I go report, give my wife elder brother. I reach my wife elder brother place. I meet my wife elder brother, they cry. I said, bros, what did they happen? He said, can you imagine? Pikin where they pay 250,000 for play class group. They said the pikin fail. Say, make the pikin repeat. I can say, why? Why they say make the pikin repeat? Say they say the pikin not play like the one that should play last time. Now I say, bros, it's like your son will come and join my daughter. Because as I'm talking to you now, my daughter is a school dropout.
M.O.P. Sleep of Talk.